11 Pinterest-worthy door inspirations you'll love. 1. The bold black door. Nothing says sophisticated like a velvety matte black door that absorbs light and anchors your space with instant drama. 2. Arched doorways. Those gentle curves instantly elevate your home from basic box to architectural gem while making your ceilings feel miles higher. 3. Statement hardware. Skip the boring knobs and install oversized brass pulls that become the jewelry making your doors truly shine. 4. The Dutch door. These split personalities let you chat with neighbors while keeping Fido inside, practicality with charm that's off the charts. 5. Sliding barn doors. Forget what you've heard. Today's barn doors rock clean lines and killer hardware while saving precious floor space. 6. Glass panel doors. Why trap sunshine in one room when these light borrowers can brighten your hallway while maintaining separate spaces? 7. The pocket door. These magical space savers disappear completely into walls, letting you finally put that dresser exactly where you want it. 8. Painted doors. Splash some emerald green or coral on that boring slab and watch it transform into the cheapest room makeover ever. 9. Textured doors. Those raised panels and gorgeous grain patterns practically beg to be touched, adding dimension that flat walls just can't deliver. 10. Smart doors. Fumbling for keys in the rain? Not anymore with fingerprint entry that lets you check lock status from anywhere on Earth. 11. Custom doors. Nothing says, "This is my home," like a door designed just for your space with stained glass or carved details that make visitors stop and stare. Your perfect door is just waiting to become the feature that makes you smile every single day. Which one spoke to you?